the behaviorist theory and distance learning. It's the oldest and one of the major theories of learning that dominated much of the 20th century psychology, which deals with various aspects of stimulus response and reinforces. Some of the theorists were Ivan Pavlov, B.F. Skinner, and Albert Bandura. The weaknesses versus strength of this theory. Weaknesses: it focuses on observable behaviors. The instructors can't see what's going on in the mind, nor can they see what's going on at the other end of the computer. The instruction is teacher-centered, students are passive, and it focuses on the lower level of Bloom's revised taxonomy, which is remembering. And it's also a positive. It's great for games and simulations. Applying the behaviorist theory to distance education. There are 5 different concepts that apply. Number 1 is practice. An instructor will give the student an opportunity to practice a task that's been learned after listening to a presentation or a lecture by using a program called Second Life or a virtual world to engage students in role play to keep practicing and practicing until they get it right. The next one is modeling. The instructor will post the superior work of another student on the website so that present students have the opportunity to use it as a guide before beginning their own project. Then there's reinforcement. The instructor can respond through email, text, or blogging, reinforcing the student has done an outstanding job and to keep up the good work. Now, if the student has errors in their assignment, it's the job of the instructor to give constructive feedback and not to criticize. Active learning, especially for distance education and e-learning. The instructors have students respond on a discussion board to predetermined stems. The instructor can gauge student learning by what and how they are writing. Another way is to have students interact with each other collaboratively by working together in a collaborative Google Docs document or wikis. It's also a great way to incorporate social learning as well. And these are the references. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation.